compact, smart, and with zero joint as standard. This is the basic idea behind the entire Artea series. With its compact design, the Artea series offers everything around a professional edge bander. Two models are available: the Artea 1020 without corner copying unit with an overall length of 3.2 meters and the Artea 1030 with an overall length of 3.7 meters. Completely equipped from the joining unit through all necessary machining operations to the finish with scraper, surface scraper, buffing and spraying equipment. With a fixed feed rate of 9 meters per minute, edge thicknesses from 0.5 to 5 millimeters, as well as panel thicknesses from 8 to 50 millimeters, it covers a wide range of applications. The Artea features a large 15.6-inch touchscreen control panel. Rotatable, it allows ergonomic operation in any position. Inside works a state-of-the-art Beckhoff industrial computer, which is specially optimized for the needs of our edge banding machines. The new operating concept of the Artea with its graphic control will inspire you with its simplicity and intuitive operation. For example, machining operations can be selected or deselected via the workpiece graphic by simply touching the touchscreen. The 1, 2 and 3, 4 buttons allow quick changeover between longitudinal edge machining 1, 2 or machining with corner copying unit 3, 4 for the third and fourth edge on a workpiece. An extensive program memory with the complete recording of all operating data as well as service messages in plain text are standard. Even the consumption of adhesive cartridges is recorded by the control system. An individual user administration with password protection and individual authorizations can be set up for your needs. VICE stands for Visual Setting System and is used for intelligent visual support of the machine operator. VICE provides a digital logbook of all setting values for the digital counters and pressure gauges to set up the machine quickly and safely. In this way, VICE helps you to avoid setting errors and to reduce test pieces to a minimum. The VICE system is unique in this class and you will never want to do without it on your Artea machine. Here is an example with a 2mm plastic edge and complete machining. After program selection, the setting graphic can be loaded via the VICE button. The setting values are very easy to read via the large 15.6-inch touchscreen. Only the values marked in yellow must be adjusted on the machine. Now the individual digital counters and pressure gauges are set to the numbers shown in the graphic and the machine is completely set up. After that, the acknowledgement takes place and the machine releases the machining for production. There is no easier and more professional way to set up such a complex manual machine. Regardless of the skill and experience of your operators, you will always achieve consistent results of excellent quality. Another highlight is the newly developed glue library. With its help, up to 4 different adhesive types with their different properties can be managed. Switching between EVA and PUR adhesives is thus child's play, and all important parameters such as processing temperature, pressure values, and also the different adhesive viscosities are taken into account in the respective profile. The correct pressure value for the Glu Jet adhesive system, which also controls our optimum adhesive quality, is automatically transferred to the VICE system depending on the adhesive type. The on and off points of the draw frame control are also optimally adjusted depending on the adhesive viscosity. This means that all important adhesive types are available at all times with optimum setting values depending on the application. White EVA adhesive for your cost-effective light decors. White PUR adhesive for your waterproof light-colored furniture. Neutral EVA adhesive for darker decors. And finally, Transparent PUR adhesive, for example for dark textured panels. No more compromise for your quality, and all with zero joint. The heart of the Artea is of course our unique Glu Jet adhesive application system. With Glu Jet, you can process standard adhesive cartridges or granulated adhesive as standard with EVA or waterproof polyurethane adhesives as required in an unrivaled quality with zero joint. The machine is ready for operation in just 3 minutes and cools down just as quickly. With its short heat-up time and low energy consumption, the Artea is a pioneer in energy efficiency. With Glu Jet, the adhesive is pressed into the plate structure under high pressure. Thanks to the 90-degree doctor blade division in a 1mm grid, for example, on a 19mm plate, 19 adhesive strips are applied with high precision. During subsequent pressing at the pressure unit, the adhesive can now spread from the mountain to the valley within the narrow surface without swelling at the top and bottom, thus creating a clean optical zero joint. At the same time, this patented process ensures a high-strength joint. With Glu Jet, adhesive changeover is simple, fast and clean. Thus, PUR adhesives, EVA adhesives or various coloured adhesives can be changed within a few minutes depending on the application. The rinsing process takes place via the rinsing hole integrated in the Glu Jet. The new adhesive is then poured in and rinsing continues until the new adhesive has displaced the previous adhesive. The whole process works when changing from PUR to EVA or vice versa. Cleaning the system is child's play and takes only a few moments. When using EVA adhesives, the adhesive can remain in the system and only the adhesive application nozzle needs to be cleaned. The machine bridge is moved to the maximum height so that the Glu Jet nozzle is completely open and accessible. Adhesive residue is then loosened using a compressed air gun, and then the specially hardened nozzle is cleaned with a wire brush. Tip-top clean in just 1 minute. PUR adhesive can remain in the adhesive station for up to 48 hours. After that, usually before the weekend, the complete system must be flushed and neutralized with the correct pressure, temperature and amount of cleaner. Special PUR cleaners are used to flush out the PUR and prevent further reaction of the PUR adhesive. Afterwards, the nozzle is cleaned again, as with the EVA adhesive, except that the nozzle is additionally sealed with PUR neutralizer. And again, everything is tip-top clean. Whether for thin edges, all common plastic edges, or solid wood edges, with the Artea you are always on the right side for a perfect result. The Glu Jet system makes you highly flexible and you can always respond to your customers' wishes individually while remaining profitable. The make-ready support with Vice and the unique glue library support you in an unprecedented way. The edge bander is critical to the high-quality look of your furniture. Don't live with compromises or encrusted adhesive melting pools any longer. Bring clean, efficient and affordable edge banding technology of the highest quality into your home with the Artea. Convince yourself too of the professional edge banding technology from HOLZ-HER. We look forward to seeing you.